2, 1, and 0. All right, we're going to get started, guys. Good morning, students, handsome students, 634, 635, 636. Those of you just joining, your grades are all posted. So if you have time, please check on Google Classroom. It's on the stream, okay? Right here. Posted new material, grades for assignments 1 through 10. Okay, so your grades are all here. Let me log in as a student so you can see from the student view. Getting some questions about how to complete assignments. I think overall assignments 10, 11, and 12. Please mute your mic if you're just joining. Thank you. All right, so first things first, I'm going to go to Tanaka. Click the picture of the handsome man right here. Oh, yes. Okay. And now I'm logged in as a student who's just joined us. Didn't mute their mic. Thank you, Brisse. Okay. Now, let's go to the classwork. All right. Assignment 12. Okay. Assignment 12. All right. Can I get a volunteer to read directions 1 and 2? Go ahead and unmute your mic. Go ahead, Maria.
Please peer review a classmate race in assignment number 10 about the house on Mango Street. Then give positive and next steps feedback to one classmate on assignment 10.
All right, let's start with that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to assignment 10, which was about the house on Mango Street. You guys remember I did the read aloud of that, the small red broken house that, that Esperanza kind of felt a little bit disappointed about. Say yes if you remember that story.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. So first things first, we got to go back to assignment number 10, right? So I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to go to assignment 10. And now I'm going to go to view question. Okay. Now, Nayeli, are you there? Nayeli, you have to unmute your mic. But Nayeli had a good question. She said, well, Mr. Tanaka, I can't see my classmates' answers. You told me to read my classmates' answers, but I can't read them. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go up here where it says classmate answers. Here is your answer. So you should have your answer here. Okay, and Mr. Tanaka posted a sentence frame to help you for your race paragraph. Classmate answer, Booyaka, Nayeli, all of your classmates' answers are here. Okay, all right. So everyone's already, I see a lot of people giving replies already. Nisa's got 2 replies from Mr. Tanaka, Fabian. Okay, some of you got replies here. Okay, so and then you're just gonna post a reply. So let's look at let's go to Luana. Luana, you're on the line, right? Luana's here, right? Yeah, Luana's here. Okay, so let's read Luana. Luana, could you read your race paragraph, please?
Okay. The area of the house on Mango Street is small red and is different from that other house. Also, it has a small U and is falling apart. The setting affects Esperanza.
Stop there. Stop. How do you guys feel about the setting? Thumbs up? That's good. It's a small red house that is different from the others and it's falling apart. Say yes or thumbs up. Jose Vargas, what do you think? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, Jose, you owe me a lot of work. You're missing a lot of work, buddy. I need that work. Okay. All right. Looks good, Luana. Keep going. The setting affects?
The setting affects Esperanza mood to become sad and embarrassing because the noun says where you live. For example, the text is say, there you live? He asks. There I say point up to the 3rd floor. You live there? There. I had to look the
Stop. Okay, Esperanza is sad and embarrassed about her house because the nun says, you live there? There? Damaris, what do you think? Thumbs up, yes? Good or no good? Okay, Gisela, what do you think? That's good? She's sad and embarrassed. Yes. Somebody help me. Yes. Thank you, Gisela. Yes, that's excellent. That's an excellent answer. Okay. The evidence, also, Gisela, what do you think? There, you live there. Gisela, you think that evidence is good?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Luana, let's go to the second evidence, please. Also, the text says?
Also, the text says, "You live there." There went on to say, "It made me feel nothing."
Very good. Hold on, let me try. I think that's Gisela, maybe. No, that's Damaris. Damaris, you got a lot of noise going on. I don't know if you're having a party over there. Okay. All right. Okay, keep going. It made me feel like?
Nothing.
Yep. There. I live there.
This quote shows that the setting affects Esperanza most because her mood is sad and embarrassing.
Okay. What do you guys think? What can I give? One thing I really liked. Somebody unmute your mic and tell me. I really liked what? What did you like?
I really like that she have good evidence.
You cited excellent evidence. Okay. Anything else that you really liked? And anything else? Someone aside from Maria. Naomi, what do you think? Ashley Asensio, what do you think?
I really liked how she put evidence that combines to what she's writing about.
Good. You cited excellent evidence that connects to your answer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. However, all right, somebody tell me what's one thing she can improve on here? What's one thing? I'm noticing something. That's a really good race paragraph. But any next steps feedback here? Anyone have next steps feedback? Anybody? No next steps feedback?
No.
I'm going to give you one, Luana. Here in your explanation, these quotes show that the setting affects Esperanza's mood because her mood is sad and embarrassing. Also, okay, who said something? Who's the person that said something that made her feel embarrassed, Luana? Who is she talking to? Yeah, the nun. However, yeah, you need to add details to your explanation about the nun, okay? Because the nun is the person who made her feel embarrassed. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody, for assignment, for the first part of today's homework is you're just going to give one feedback to what you really liked and next steps, okay? Everyone unmute your mics and say, capiche!
Capiche.
Capiche.
Thank you. Okay, everyone's with me. All right, so assignment 10, assignment 12, 1 and 2. Let's see if we did it. Okay, Maria did a nice reading. We peer reviewed the classmates' race response. Check. We gave positive and next steps feedback to one classmate. Check. Yes? Are we all good? We're good? All right, can somebody read number 3 and 4? Number 3 and 4. Go ahead, Maria. Go ahead.
Next, self-review your race in assignment number 11 about no speak English. You must make two corrections to errors in your spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. Also add details to your explanation of evidence. Remember, you must explain each quote in your own words. 4. Submit daily attendance in the Google form link attached.
Okay, very good. So, first things first. Now we're done with assignment 10. We're going to go to assignment 11 now, okay? So I'm done with assignment 10. I'm going to assignment 11, okay? And actually now I'm going to log in as Mr. Tanaka because I want to take a look at maybe someone's work here. So let's go to assignment 11, okay? View assignment. And as you can see in Mr. Tanaka's format, I can see all the responses from everybody here, okay? And I can see who submitted it and who didn't. So that's why you guys don't need to tell me. I did it. I can see that you did it already. So let's take a look at, I don't know. Let's take a look at Gisela's. Are you nervous? Okay. All right. So this one's about no speak English with Mamacita. You guys did you guys like that story? Say yes or no. Did you like the story of Mamacita and no speak
Yes.
English? Yes. Yeah, that's one of my favorite short stories. Yeah. Okay, Gisela, do you want to read it or you want Mr. Tanaka to read it? Gisela? Okay, Mr. Tanaka's going to read it. All right, you guys listen. Okay, I love the heading here. Fantastic. Okay, no speak English. The setting of don't speak English affected Mamacita's mood. Uh-oh, I noticed something. She put moon. This should be mood. Okay, so I'm going to make that correction there because it makes her get sad. What do you think, Naomi? Mamacita was sad in that short story. Yes or no?
Well, Mamacita was like and nervous of speaking English in
Yeah.
her new place.
Good. I'm gonna say sad and nervous. Okay. And because what country did she live in that she had to speak
Mexico.
English? I don't know, Mexico. I think they're living in the United.
Stay.
Yeah, they moved to the United States. Okay. So Gisela, I'm just adding that detail. So that's already 2 corrections. Well, let's keep going. The setting makes Mamacita get sad because the baby started singing in English and Mamacita does not understand. Is that true? Is that true that the baby started singing that Pepsi commercial in English? What do you guys think? Yes, Naomi shake. She's nodding her head. Yes, excellent. Very good job. But I noticed languages should be capitalized, so this English should be capitalized.
Capitalized.
Yep. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here's the evidence. One detail says, and then to break her heart forever, the baby boy who would begin to talk starts to sing the Pepsi commercial he heard on TV. Do we like this evidence? Thumbs up. The evidence is good. Thumbs up, right? Yep, thumbs up. Very good. All right. But Gisela, you missed the quotation mark, so I added there for you. Another evidence from the text says, no speak English. She says to the child who is speaking English. She says to the child who was singing in the language that sounds like tin. Very good. How do you guys feel about that evidence? She said no speak English to her son, right? Very good, Gisela. Okay. All right. So I added, but again, Gisela, you got to be careful with the punctuation. You missed another quotation mark, okay? These quotes show that the setting affects Mamacita's mood. It's mood, okay, sweetheart? Because of the baby started to sing in English. There you go. All right. I'm going to give Gisela, she made some punctuation mistakes, but Gisela, if you make those corrections, I'll give you an 8 out of 8. Okay. So just make those corrections once we're done here. Okay. And I'm going to leave her a comment. I really liked how you.
Hi, Mr. Tanaka.
Hi. Who is that?
Me?
Sarah?
Yes.
Wow, I'm so good. I didn't even look and I saw it was you. All right. I really liked how you cited the correct evidence. However, please make sure you your what?
Asian.
Thank you. Post.
How do we fix it?
How do you fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is okay, so let me log in. So I'm a test student here. I'm going to go to view assignment. Okay. And I'm going to go to the Google form. Okay. And then I can complete it here. Okay. I can complete it from the Google form. Wait, is this logged in as Mrs. Tanaka? Oh, wait, switch account. Test student. Let's see what it does as test student. Yeah, so I can just fill it in here and I can write in my race response here. Okay, for no speak English. Good. All right, so that's about it, guys. That's all you got to do today. Let's go back and let's double check that we completed everything here. Let's go to classwork.
Mr. Tanaka, I have a question.
Go ahead, Maria.
I'm doing the race paragraph, but I'm doing in the quiz.
Yeah, in the Google form, right?
Yeah, but I don't need to do it in the Google Slides.
No, you could just click on the Google form. Like, oh, that's the attendance link. You can click on Oh, assignment. No, it's for assignment 11, sweetheart. So you got to make sure to go to assignment 11. Sorry, Mr. I got confused. So go to assignment 11 and you can go to the Google Forms quiz right there. Boom. And then here's the one about Mamacita. Okay. You can, I think you already answered these questions probably, but you can just click on it again and then put your answer here, your race paragraph here. Okay. Does that make sense? And submit. Okay. If not, if there's problems there, Maria, just go to view assignment. Mute your mics, please. Mute your mics, please. All right. Go to, hold on. Now I'm all mixed up here. You could just put it in the private comments section here. Okay. Or you can add or create. One thing you could do is add or create a doc like Gisela did. Okay. Maria.
Okay.
And it's going to create a Google Doc, and then your name will show up there, and you can just put your race paragraph here, and then churn in. Okay, churn in. Boom. And that's it. And you just make sure you churn it in, or you could click share and type in Tanaka. Okay? And send. All right.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
We're not doing that. We're doing about the Mango Street. And for us, if like you said to fix it, how do we fix it?
Good question.
Answer.
Good question. So there's two parts. There's two parts to this, Ashley. There's assignment 10. You got to go back and give feedback. I think I saw you already did that, right, Ashley?
Yeah.
Okay. So now assignment 11, what you're going to do is you need to go into the Google form and you're going to do the, make sure you make a correction. Make a correction for your race paragraph. Okay. So I don't know. I think if you go to Google Forms, you're able to see your quiz or no?
Oh.
Try going to Google Forms, okay, and log in as yourself. So if I log in as a test student here, no forms created yet. I think if you log in to Google Forms, just go to docs.google/forms here, okay? Or you just go to here and then go down to Google Forms, this one. Okay, and then the quiz should show up, the one for assignment 11, no speak English here. This is Mrs. Tanaka because I have 634, 636. Does that make sense, Ashley? And then just click on your form there. Okay. Ashley, we good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Any other questions here?
I had a question.
Okay, go ahead.
And if I want to change my response, I need to do it again in Google Form or I need to do it in Google Docs?
For assignment 11?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, assignment 11, you could do it either one. Google Docs here, okay? You could, like I just did, add or create docs. And then you could redo it in there, okay? Just make sure you click the churn in button. After you type it here, churn in.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then it's going to take you back here. And I think you got to go one more time to assignment 11. Let me see. And then you got to churn it in one more time. Okay. Just make sure you go to assignment 11 and you click churn in. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. This one here. Churn in there. Boom. Okay. And then it'll turn it in. Okay. Any other questions? Brianna, you good?
Yes.
All right, let's go one by one here. Ashley, you good now? Everything's good? Per se, everything is good? Are you okay? You understand?
Yes.
I'm still a little confused.
Still a little confused about assignment 11?
Because you said to like rewrite, like edit our work, but how are we gonna edit if we didn't do it like on Google Docs? We did it somewhere else.
You did it on Google Forms, right?
No, we did it on where it says like type your answer.
Oh, yeah. That's assignment 10, that one. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, so I'm logged in as a test student. So let me go to 6. So 6, you guys have the same assignment. So I'm gonna go to classwork. All right, Ashley. Assignment 10, okay? This is the one, if you remember, view question. It was here. You typed in your answer up here. Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm giving this part, Ashley, you just need to give feedback to a classmate. You don't have to give feedback. You don't have to change your answer unless you want to, okay? So then you can go to classmate answer, and then all your classmates' answers are there. I think I can change it so you can change your answer as well. Let me see if I can do that real quick right now. Classwork, assignment 10, and edit. Let me see. Yeah, students can edit answer right here, Ashley. So you should be able to go back in and edit your answer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So just go like test student, your answer. And my answer is down. It's right here, graded. But it says not answered. I don't know why. This is a weird. Mr. Tanaka has to figure this out. Your answer. You know what? If all else fails, just type it in the class comments here, or just put it as a private comment, and only Mr. Tanaka will be able to see it. Okay, and then I'll give you new grade. But your classmates' answers are all here. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Brianna, how we doing? Brianna, we're good. Damaris, are you good?
Yes.
Good. All right. Gisela, I just got your text. Hold on, your chat. Let's see. Mr. Tanaka, I realized that we had to do the quiz for assignment 11, but I created a doc. So do I do it again on the quiz? I mean, to write the answer? Yeah, we just fixed yours, Gisela. So just make the corrections that I just showed you on here. Okay.
Yes, but for the assignment 11, it says to answer the multiple choice, like who is Mamacita, and for the race also
so
that
just,
is there.
Yeah, so just do that. So just answer the multiple choice. But I already got your race. So the race, just say you could just type in my Google Doc.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's go to Luana. How we doing? We good?
Yes.
All right. Maria, you have a question?
No, I don't have a question.
All right. Nayeli, how we doing? Any other questions, Nayeli?
No, I don't have more questions.
Okay. Naomi, how we doing? Naomi?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay. Miss Sara Hernandez.
I'm good.
How come you didn't cough when I said click on the handsome guy?
Oh, I don't know.
Cough, cough.
Ashley, I don't know you guys are talking, but Ashley started doing that in 6:35. But, I guess you guys cough for the truth, because it's the truth. I look so good in this video. You guys notice my haircut? My haircut looks so good. I know. Yeah, it looks fantastic, right? I know. I'm amazing. It's not just good looks here, though. I'm really smart and funny, and it just doesn't stop, It just on and on and on. So many positive things about Mr. Tanaka, right, Sarah?
Yes.
Thank you. I see Luana. I see Luana with her thumbs up. Luana always gives me the good thumbs up in the corner, right, Luana? Guys, how's everyone doing? Everyone's doing okay? This week is going to be real rough. Did you guys hear that next week for spring break? They won't be like school as usual, but I'll be posting like field trips and art assignments and kind of more lighter stuff. But you guys got to stay home and stay safe, okay? Anyone have questions about spring break?
Why did they cancel spring break?
Why did they change it so you guys have school now? Yeah, so the reason for that is basically they're expecting New York to be, especially New York City, it's going to be the worst this week for hospitalizations and people getting sick from corona. So what they're trying to say is, well, students are going to be at home so bored if it's spring break, because teachers won't be posting assignments. We won't be posting any video chats. You guys won't have any opportunity to do anything, right? So they're saying, well, we want to make sure the kids have good something to study and something to do while they're indoors, because we want everyone to stay indoors still. So that's why spring break, Mr. Tanaka, I'll be posting. It'll be like a very light thing. It'll be like make a drawing or click on this link to go to a field trip to the zoo or go to this museum. Every day is supposed to have like a theme or something. And then there's a college day. So if you want to ask Mr. Tanaka questions about college and what that's like, you can ask me. Okay, so that's the thinking behind that. Ashley, you good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I don't know, through April 29th, the governor, Andrew Cuomo, says that we were supposed to go back to school on April 20th, but now they're saying through April